Now, I have a mad menu. My voice in English. Look at my money. Look. Look. I change the settings first. Because it's blurred. It's too blurred. Okay. Sorry guys, I have a mad menu. So guys, we gonna teach Mathiel to how to parkour in the golden statue. So we need to go to the treasure town first. And come back again. Restart again. Now you gonna unlock all. Look. No, restart. Just restart. Sorry about that. Let's open the mod first. After I do that. Okay, go again. Turtle Town again. So sorry. And return to the village. Now look, I got unlocked all of the level. Now we're gonna teach Mathiel how to climb that golden statue. Okay. We're gonna learn from me. Because I have talent for the hobby. Now, we're gonna teach him this. To how to climb that